It's now my privilege to invite Shri Krishan Jajoo ji, Chair ICC Rajasthan, to address the gathering.
Honorable Shri Haribhau Bagde ji, the Governor of Rajasthan, Shri V. Srinivas, Chief Secretary, Government of Rajasthan, Shri Rajiv Singh ji, Director General, Indian Chamber of Commerce, Shri Manoj Goyal ji, Co-Chair, ICC Rajasthan, Shri Rajiv Arora ji, dear Pavan Arora ji, Mr. Dev Miller, Regional Director North, Siddharth ji, distinguished council members of ICC, members of ICC, industry leaders, entrepreneurs, my family members, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. It is with immense gratitude and a deep sense of responsibility that I stand before you today as I assume the role of Rajasthan Chair of the Indian Chamber of Commerce. I extend my heartfelt thanks to the leadership of ICC, our immediate past chair Shri Periwal ji, for giving us a great start and placing her trust in me. I am truly honored and I accept this responsibility with humility and commitment. ICC carries a legacy that commands both respect and humility. It has been shaped at the national level by stalwarts like Shri G.D. Birla Sahab, Shri Ellen Birla, Shri B.M. Birla, Shri K.P. Goenka, Shri S.S. Kanoria, Shri B.D. Bangar Sahab, and Shri Vikram Thapar Sahab. Our immediate past president, Mr. Abhyuday Jindal, has taken this legacy forward with great energy. And today, under the leadership of Mr. Brij Bhushan Agarwal, Chairman, Chair Sham Metallics and Energy Limited, ICC continues to grow with strength and purpose. To be entrusted with the role in such an institution is truly an honor. We assure you that we all are committed to deliver and prove to be a real bridge between business and government. ये तो हुआ हमारा मतलब बिजनेस का उत्तरदायित्व, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स गवर्नमेंट, बट एट द सेम टाइम समथिंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अवरसेल्व्स। एक ऐसे बिजनेस का निर्माण करें जहां पहला उद्देश्य लोगों की लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूशन हो। निश्चित मान लें कि अगर आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं तो आप अकेले नहीं चल रहे, आपके हर कदम के साथ प्रभु का कदम साथ में है, विच विल गिव यू स्ट्रेंथ। आपके कदम कभी डगमगाएंगे नहीं। God gives you strength, and believe me, an institution made for contributing towards good for the society with the goal of Sabka Vikas, Sabka Utthan has all the blessings of God. Let us make this as a primary goal. Profits are simple outcome. अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि today is a big day for me and my team sitting here, a big responsibility to take care of the entire ICC Rajasthan. Let's all pray to God to give us strength, to stay true to our values, to give us belief, to give us energy, to give us inspiration and blessings, to contribute in the life of people and the industry and the business. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu nirama, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत्. My regards to all of you sitting here and will always seek your blessings and best wishes. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
May I now invite one of the most passionate and compassionate leader of bureaucracy who is admired by one and all, Shri V. Srinivas ji, Chief Secretary, Government of Rajasthan, to share his thoughts.
The Honorable Governor of Rajasthan, His Excellency Shri Haribhau Bagde ji, the Chairman of the Rajasthan ICC, Shri Jajoo ji, Dr. Rajiv Singh ji, the Director General, Indian Chamber of Commerce, Shri Manoj Goel ji, the Co-Chair ICC Rajasthan State Council, my distinguished colleagues, Shri Siddharth Singh ji, Shri Pawan Arora ji, Rajiv Arora ji, distinguished members of the Rajasthan ICC, industry leaders, entrepreneurs, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed my privilege to be present with all of you today on the occasion of the installation of Shri Jajoo ji, a respected industry leader and committed philanthropist as the chair of ICC Rajasthan. My heartiest congratulations to you. In fact, I was quite struck by your eloquence, and I hope I can match the words that you've said, structured engagement as also constructive dialogue. We look forward to interacting with you closely in the coming days. Shri Jajoo ji's journey reflects not just business success but also a deep commitment to society and institution building, and through initiatives like Jagrati, his contribution towards education for underprivileged children, socially impactful services such as mobile mortuary initiative reflect a strong sense of responsibility beyond business. At the same time, his role in building and strengthening institutions and contributing to the growth of organized industry in Rajasthan has been significant and enduring.